Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss if function with single and multiple conditions. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, mathematical economics, and statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the if function. Here I have the hypothetical data of colleges and admission, number of admissions. Now, suppose I want to categorize them into two categories. If number of admission is less than 300, then it is not good for the college. And if it is more than 300, then it is good. So here we can use if function. So write equal to if. And first we need to define the logic. So if this admission is less than 300, comma, it is good. Sorry, not good. Otherwise, it is good. Close the bracket. So again, what is the command? If admission is less than 300, it is not good. If it is more than 300, it is good. So you can see this is higher than 300 and therefore it is good for the college. And then you just apply for all the colleges. So if it is less than 300, not good. Now suppose I want to bifurcate them into more than two categories. So therefore we can use multiple if functions. So see this, it is equal to if this is less than 100, comma, not good. Again, we use if function. If it is less than 200, comma, good. So second category is good. Again, use if function. If it is less than 300, better. And then you use the last, otherwise it is best. Close the bracket. Again, if admission is less than 100, not good. If it is less than 200, that means between 100 and 200, it is good. If it is less than 300, better, that is between 200 and 300, otherwise it is best. So we have used if function multiple times. Enter, you can see it is best. So now it is best because it is higher than 300. It is not good because it is less than 100. It is best because it is higher than 300. Similarly, you can explain other colleges. So this is how we can use if function with single and multiple conditions. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.